Hi everyone, let's see how to install Shopify Ella theme. The current version of Ella theme is 7. Okay, I have provided a link in the video description below. Just click that link and it will send you here. Okay, and once you are here you can see add to cart button and get extra 12 months of support. Just check this box and finally proceed to checkout. Click add to cart. Okay, once you have purchased this theme, you will see download button here. Okay, that's all. I hope you have purchased the theme. Now let's see how we can install Ella 7. Okay, here I have downloaded my Ella theme from my account. And once you have downloaded, you will get a zip file and double click on it and it will be extracted. And here you can see unzipped file. Just go inside it and here you will see all these files. And it also offers Ella 7 version, but will work with Ella Shopify 7 because it is modern. It supports Shopify Theme OS 3. It is very fast and very modern. Okay, now let's install Ella 7 theme. Here I'm going to click on this tab and this is the admin panel of my Shopify store. And from here I'm going to navigate to online store. Here you can see click online store and here you can see my store has horizon theme. And if I click over here, view your store, it looks like this. But we are going to install Ella theme. So friends, to install Ella theme, here you can see import theme on the top right corner. Click on it and here you can see upload zip file. Click on it and here you can see add file. Click on it and again here I am. I'm going to navigate to this folder and here you can see Ella Shopify 7. Just go inside it and here you can see Ella 7.0.5. Just select this file. It is a zip file and hit open and hit upload file. And here you can see Ella 7 is installing. Well friends, here you can see just added. That means Ella theme is installed successfully. And now we need to activate this theme. To activate this theme, here you can see publish button. Just click on it and again hit publish. Now here you can see Ella theme is my current theme. So we could successfully install Ella 7. So now I'm going to reload this store. And now here you can see our new theme is activated. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, that's it. So friends, now we have installed Ella theme. But friends, it comes with the default demo. Here it is. But we want to install or set up any specific demo. Okay, let's get back here. And here you can see live preview. Click on it and scroll down. And friends, here you can see all demos are selected, but you can go through any specific categories. And this one is the new one, hot, and all are supported Ella 7. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this demo. It is electronics. Let's click this link and here goes the demo. Let's see how we can set up this demo. We want to install this demo. It is electronics and it supports Ella 7. So friends, we need to adjust the presets. So get back to our theme file. Okay, here we are and you will find this Ella Shopify 7. Click on it and here you can see demo data. Just go inside it and here you can see home page. Click on it and here you can see home electronics. Just inside it and here goes all the files. Okay, so let's get back to the admin panel of our site. Here I am. Let's get back here and click these three dots. And here you can see edit code. Just click on here. Okay, friends. To get this demo, to install this demo layout, we need to edit some code. So here you can see I'm here on the code And from here, click templates. And first of all, we'll just update the header template. Okay, header group. Okay, so click over here again and look for header dot header group.json. Just click on here, and here goes all the files. What I'm going to do, press Command A and press backspace. I'm just deleted all the code. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this file. Here it is, and Command A to select all the code and copy it. And paste here. And on the right here, you can see save button. Click save. Now I'm going to reload this page. And here you can see different header. Okay, in the same way, what I'm going to do, just look for index. Here you can see I have 4 files. The next one is index. Just open it. Okay, let's get back here and look for index. And here you can see index.json. Just click on it. I'm just going to select all, backspace, and go over here. Command A, select all the code. Command C to copy the code. Just copy the code and come back here. Paste here. Hit save. Okay. Now I'm going to reload this page. Okay. Let's see the demo. Here it is. It looks like this. Here you can see free shipping and returns. We can see here also. Okay. Now I'm going to change. Here you can see setting data. Just click on it and open with Google Chrome. And let's get back here. I'm going to search for setting. And here you can see setting underscore data.json. Click on it. And I'm going to select all. Enter backspace. And copy from here. And paste here. Click save. Okay. And finally, we have this file, footer. Just open it with Google Chrome and come over here, search for footer. And here you can see footer group.json. Click on it. Command A, backspace. Here you can see footer group. Command A to select. Copy all the code. Come over here and paste here. And hit save. So finally, I'm going to reload this page. And here it is. Here it is. Scroll down. Okay. It looks like this one. It looks like this one. Okay, let's cross check. Here goes 3 banners. I'm going to come back here. Here you can see 3 banners, just like this, and then 2 banners, then 2 big banners. So we could successfully install the layout of electronics. In the same way, you can insert or install any of these demo datas. Okay, friends, we offer paid services. If you need service to install Ella 7 theme or install any of these demos, you can contact. I will provide contact details in the video description below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.